This is a custom gift box that we did for the Goo Goo Dolls. It includes 3 hand-painted cups, and 3 of Septon's pins, and 2 pounds of the Emperor brand coffee. And it comes in a custom painted gift box. Contact Fish at iandicoffee.com if you're interested in your own custom gift box.